And as we've been showing you all afternoon, heavy rain left a major impact here in central North Carolina, and all that water has to go somewhere.
A lot of times it ends up in the lakes, but where does it come from? The creeks, tributaries, and of course the rivers. CBS 17 Storm Team meteorologist Rachel Dunsing is here with a check on those river levels. And Rachel, this is really something.
Yeah, so obviously we've seen all that flash flooding, and that's what happens when you have more than 10 inches and even up to nearly a foot of rainfall in a short amount of time. But again, that rain also caused some of our rivers to rapidly rise. So I first want to check in with the Haw River. This is north of our region, just east of Burlington. So early this morning, it crested at 32.5 feet. That is just shy of the record of 32.8 feet, which, by the way, was caused from all of the rain from Hurricane Fran in 1996. The latest update, as the river level continues to drop, it is now just a little over 19 feet. That is finally out of major flood stage and down to minor stage. Now, fortunately, later on tonight, the Haw River at this location should drop below, finally, flood stage. By the way, when the Haw River at this location reaches 28 feet, the water that hits the bottom of the I-40 bridge, so at least we are now well below that level. But while the Haw River near Burlington has been falling throughout the day, that was not the case downstream because, again, where's all that water going to go? It has to flow somewhere, and that's down the river. So the Haw River at Bynum, this is again northeast of Pittsburgh. Our own Nave Downey was there just about 30 minutes ago. Earlier today, it crested at nearly 22.5 feet. That was just before noon today. Again, well above that major flood stage of 17 feet and breaking the previous highest crest of 21.8 feet. And you guessed it, that was set back in 1996 thanks to Hurricane Fran. Now, the latest observation has the river at 20 feet, still well in major flood stage. Unfortunately for the Haw River at this location, it likely won't be until early Wednesday morning before the river finally drops below flood stage. By the way, the Eno River also reached major flood stage at Huckleberry Springs, where the river rose 21 feet in 9 hours, as well as the Eno at Durham, where the river rose almost 24 feet in just 10 hours. Now, flood warnings are still out for many area rivers, creeks, and streams, as it will take, again, a little time for that water to totally recede, thanks to all of that rain, guys.